Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Ghost notes are very quiet strokes played on the snare drum to add groove and nuance. They sit behind the main backbeat and never overpower the accents or kick. Play them deliberately soft, about 30% of your accented backbeat volume, to create texture without clutter. Ghost notes typically land on 16th note subdivisions between beats 1 and 2. Use them to fill space and propel the groove when combined with clear accents. Maintain a low stick height of 1 to 2 inches for consistent ghost note control. Rely on finger control and natural rebound rather than exaggerated wrist motion. Practice playing 3 to 5 ghost notes between accented backbeats on 16th note groupings. Keep strokes light and compact to prevent accidental accents from occurring. Focus on even spacing and identical volume so the groove feels steady and musical. Begin practice at 60 BPM and increase by 5 BPM increments as control improves. Spend 10 minutes daily with a metronome to lock ghost notes into the pocket consistently. Apply ghost notes under verses and behind vocal lines to add subtle momentum without distraction. Use them to enhance syncopation and to bridge accents during fills and transitions. Record practice sessions to hear how
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.